How to download BandLab application. Welcome to the channel and let's start with a tutorial. To download the application, it is pretty much simple. Open up your Play Store or App Store on your mobile device and in the search bar, search for BandLab. Tap on it, then just tap on Install, and just like that, it will be easily installed. There must not be any issue, but if there is any, follow this step. Open up your phone setting first and foremost. Scroll down until you see System Update and tap on it. Make sure that the application is up to date. Now second thing is to check for your Wi-Fi connection. If your Wi-Fi is acting super slow, switch it to your mobile data. Or turn on your airplane mode for about 3 seconds, then turn it back off and try to download the application once again. This should solve some of the bug issue. Next is check if you are connected to a VPN. If you are connected to a VPN, make sure to disconnect to it and try to download the application once again. If this does not work, try by restarting your mobile device. For that, press and hold onto your power button, then just tap on Restart. And if you face any of the issue will be solved. And that is how you can easily download your BandLab application without a hassle. So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.